So homie, he who controls images controls mind. That's all I can. That's the only thing I can say, homie. And that's the truest statement I've ever read.
So do you feel like white men, like what's the guy name that throw the all white parties?
Michael Rubin.
Michael Rubin.
Mike Rubin, do you feel like if the Civil War was to happen when he go save Meek Mill and them, we
Yeah.
defend for themselves?
No, he go save him. As much as we don't want to believe this, the white man is our only ally in this world. The white American man is our only ally in this world because he will unite with us under our constitutional rights to help save his country. He's our real brother. The white man taught us how to read, homie. The Mexicans didn't. The white man died with us, homie, to help us get out of slavery. The Chinese didn't. The white man fought alongside the white Jewish man with Dr. King to help us get civil rights. The Mexican didn't, the Latin didn't, the Chinese didn't, the Cuban didn't. So he's really our only friend in the world. Because as much as y'all want to believe if y'all leave this country, nigga, they go kick you worse in your ass, you go somewhere else.